Today I want to talk to you about composition, how to compose a painting. If I look at this scene right here, the pink bougainvillea is at what I would consider to be 12 o'clock on a clock dial. If it were a picture frame, notice how your eye dances from one sunflower to another. That sunflower, he's out of the frame a bit, but that's kind of neat. But so far, I've only had one sunflower at a time to show you. Today I have several. So if you travel, what happens? And I always, you might notice when I paint, I say, if I use a color one place, I repeat it somewhere else, because your eye dances from color to color. In this instance, your eye is dancing from color to color, and from similar objects, from sunflower to sunflower. So if you come around the clock at about, there's nothing at 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but at 5 o'clock on the lower right, you see that little sunflower, and he's pointing you over to the other side of the canvas. You come in over here about 8 o'clock. But then there are several back there, more subtle. 8, right, coming into the canvas, not just going around the clock dial, but going into the clock dial. But if you come on up, and they go up, their faces point different directions. When an object points somewhere, it helps your eye to move in that direction. Notice at about, let's see, to 9, about 10 o'clock and about 10:30, on the left, there's one sunflower facing toward me and another sunflower facing outward. That catches your eye at about 8 o'clock and brings your eye on up. And just in case you don't want to, in case you're going into a spiral too much, that other little sunflower gives you an opportunity to look to the left farther. I love my birds, but anyway. So then, what do you do? It would be perfect, but maybe too perfect. If there were another sunflower over here, there's one right there at 11:45, brings you up. But there's none over here. But I would, if I were I think there is one back there, but you just can't see it. I can't see it with this camera. But anyway, if I were painting this, I probably wouldn't put another sunflower there, because too much similarity is like becomes boring. But I would repeat that same color yellow in these leaves, highlights in the leaves. But that's the way that we create composition, causing your eye to move around the canvas. I saw this today and I thought, oh my gosh, I really wish I had an easel that I could come out here and paint, because I had the oil. I would love to create a large oil painting of this painting right now. That's ostensibly why I garden, is to come out and paint. It's too hot here. But you can only paint in the early morning, and the problem is your scene changes. The guys you see right now will wither and die, rust to rust, ashes to ashes. But for a moment, this is a beautiful, perfect painting, and God was the perfect artist.